Short Me Tina here once again from shortmetina.com, doing a video recap for ticker GPRO GoPro. Right now, what you're looking at is a daily chart dating back to around 2015, but I want to focus in on trading action that happened at the beginning of 2016, because in my opinion, the stock started to trade within a range. So we can say the range is anywhere from, let's say, the high here of around, let's say 1750, and a low of around, we can say about $7 or $8. So the stock, for the most part, kind of traded between that range, 8 to 17, back to 8. And if you fast forward to around 2017, right? Actually, early part of 2018, it broke that 2-year range and went as low as around $4 to $5. Now, if you go back in history, this stock was trading around north to 100. So going from, close to $100 to $4, it's a really, really steep decline, right? But the chart, in my opinion, starts to get interesting now, because most recently we saw this huge green candle on above average volume, right? With the exception of today, for the past 2 or 3 days, the stock is up something like 20 or 30%. It's definitely up double digits. So in my opinion, a move like that on volume, right, on volume, deserves my attention. We're above the 100-day moving average right now, and we most recently ran into resistance of around $7 and about 40 or 50 cents, right? Today, the stock did pull back. We shed something like about, I want to say 5.25%, a little over 5%. But given the trading action that happened the past few days, with the exception of today, this pullback should be expected. So I'm not throwing in the towel with GoPro like I indicated in the video that I did on Friday. GoPro is definitely on my watch list, because if we can get above, right, if we can manage to penetrate resistance and get above that $17.50 area or that $8 area, then things get interesting, because what would have happened is we would be back within the range that we started in 2016 before it broke in 2018. And if we can maintain that range, then there's a possibility that the stock can go back to $17 or $18, representing a double from 8. Again, we're not there yet, but based on trading activity, the stock is promising. So that's my take on GoPro. Despite this 5% pullback, stock is still on my watch list. We're above the 100-day resistance of around 750 was most recently rejected, but that's fine. We can make another attempt, and I think it will make another attempt at breaching those levels. So again, put ticker GPRO on your watch list. Short Me Tina here once again from shortmetina.com. If you enjoyed this video, do 2 things for me. 1, head on over to my YouTube channel at Short Me Tina and hit that subscribe button. That way, you will never miss a video. I upload at least 1 video per day. Sometimes I do as many as 15. So you'll never miss a video if you subscribe to my channel. Then head on over to shortmetina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support.